Sir, pwede mo ba akong samahan dito? Ihiramin ko muna mamang iyong mister, ha? Okay. This time, bago mo maisayaw ang iyong napakagandang misis, I will be giving this time for our groom at syempre yung naunang babae sa kanyang buhay. Because this time we will be witnessing the groom and the mother's dance. So, sir, pwede mo bang yayain ng iyong mami? Pwede mo bang sunduin ng iyong mami para maisayaw mo siya dito sa harap?
I don't know where the time has gone since those little boy days. Doesn't seem that long. Yet here you are, it's your wedding day. And there's one thing, darling, I'd like to say. Be kind, be sweet, be a gentleman. Care and share and always be fair. And remember, though you now have taken a wife, you will always be my son, my loving son. You filled my life with so much joy as I watched you grow from that little boy. Now I'll try not to cry as you walk away. And just once more, darling, I'd like to say, be kind, be sweet, be a gentleman. Care and share and always be fair. And remember, though you now have taken a wife, you will always be my son.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our mom. Mommy, thank you so much. Siyempre po, magkakaroon din ng chance ang ating pong